Hey everybody, it's Chef Mike again here from Green Vegetarian Cuisine, and here's another recipe that we're working on. Maybe it'll make our new menu that's coming up in September 2018. I'm going to be working on a little patty here, and this one is starting off with beets. We've got some beets that we've run through a food processor here. You can see how they're fresh, raw beets, uncooked or anything. So we've got those. We've got 2 cups of that. We're going to be adding to that some corn. And then we're going to add to that some lentils, a cup of cooked lentils. Then we're going to be adding to that some purple onion and some, these are panko breadcrumbs. Now for our seasoning, we're going to add some smoked paprika, makes everything taste really nice and savory. Some black pepper. Good. I like to use my buddy's company, Fiesta Boner Spices there. Boner's Fiesta Spices. They have some good coarse ground black pepper. Some salt. Now there was a little bit of salt in those lentils, so we want to go a little bit easy on it. And then the fat. There's no fat in here so far, so I want to add for that mouthfeel. I want to add some coconut oil. Now coconut oil, when you buy it like this, it's already solid. And I'll just drop it in a bowl of warm water to let it loosen up a little bit. So I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of that coconut oil there. Gives it that great mouthfeel too. I really like coconut oil when it comes to like a meat substitute. All right, so I'm going to give that a stir here. Then I'm going to get my cans in there. Alright, so we've got our patty mix made here. You can see how beefy it looks. Form that into a nice patty. However big you want it. Got some hot olive oil in our non-stick skillet there. This stuff does look like the real thing, doesn't it? Alright, and then I'm going to put another patty in there, and then we're going to let those sear on medium heat with just a little bit of olive oil, non-stick pan for about 3 minutes, and we're going to come right back and flip those over. Alright, now we've got them, they've been cooking for about 3 minutes. We're going to flip them over. See how nice and meaty those look. And we're going to cook them just for about 2 more minutes on that side, and then those are ready for your backyard barbecue or your next burger. Enjoy.